Ever tried checking an Instagram profile only to hit that private account wall? You send a follow request, wait, and nothing happens. Meanwhile, you're left wondering what they're posting and whether there's any real way to see private Instagram photos. Before we go any further, let's clear something up right away. There is no magic tool, no website, and no app that can unlock private Instagram accounts. If you've seen videos or links claiming otherwise, those are scams. In this video, I'm going to explain how private accounts actually work and show you the only real, safe, and legitimate way people end up seeing private Instagram content. When you search online for things like view private Instagram photos, you'll find tons of websites asking you to sign up, enter your username, or even log in with your Instagram account. None of those work. Instagram does not allow third-party apps or websites to access private profiles, and anything claiming to do so is designed to steal your information, hack your account, or scam you. Instagram's privacy system is built specifically to protect users, which means private content stays private unless the account owner approves access. So instead of risking your data or getting locked out of your account, the only option is to work within Instagram's rules. What does work is creating a legitimate-looking Instagram account and sending a follow request the right way. Inside Instagram, you can add another account, choose a realistic username, set up a proper profile, and fill in details like a bio and profile photo. Accounts that look real, ones with a name, picture, posts, and some activity, are far more likely to be accepted than blank or fake-looking profiles. Once the account looks natural, you can search for the private profile and send a follow request. From there, it's entirely up to them whether they accept it. There's no forcing access, no shortcuts, and no bypassing privacy settings. If they approve, you'll be able to see their photos and posts. If not, that's the end of it. Stay away from private viewer websites, protect your account, and always stick to legit methods. If this video helped clear things up, hit like, subscribe, and check out the next one.